Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning our chicken coop and it is very messy. Okay, I got a wagon and some tools, and as you can see, the outside of the back door is pretty gross. So I'm going to tidy this up before I actually start cleaning the inside of the chicken coop. I found one of our homemade rabbit toys. You guys want a little toy? He is such a cute little bunny. It is so warm out. I thought today would be more of like a stay inside day because this morning it was pouring rain. But luckily the sun came out and it is so warm and I'm so grateful for that. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the front of the chicken coop now. So it's a bit hard to rake up everything because it's really wet out. There's still some buckets and stuff that I'll have to pick up, but this is full, so let's go dump it. Okay guys, even the flowers came out to enjoy the sunshine. I'm gonna let all the chickens out to run around and get some fresh air and sunshine while I clean this coop up. Oh, there goes all the chickens. So we have only 8 chickens. I don't know, we might get a few more because the weather's getting better and we do have room for more, but we'll have to see. Hi Endo, you finding any bugs? I'm gonna start with taking out everything. This is like a homemade porch my brother made. Bag of chicken food, bag of rabbit food, rabbit nesting box hutch. Alright, I got this wheelbarrow full and I'm gonna go dump it. Okay, I'm almost done the floor here, as you can see. Now I'm gonna dump out these buckets and clean up the nesting boxes. I think I'm also gonna stack this nesting box over there. Oh my goodness, this is basically empty, but it is so gross. Put that one over there as well. And I've just been junking all the stuff that goes in the chicken coop out here. And I'll clean it and then organize it and bring it back in. The chickens are sunbathing and they look so cute. Hi chickies, you guys enjoying the sunshine? They were all laying down a minute ago. these are the bins that we use to keep the rabbit and chicken food in, and they're pretty dirty, so let's clean them. I'm gonna probably have to use a scrub brush because they're stuck on there. I got these bins quite a bit cleaner, so let's go fill them up full of feed. You guys are gonna go crazy once you see your food. There's also a little bit of rabbit food in here that I'm gonna dump in. So we only got one lid, and I'm gonna put it on the chicken feed because I don't want the chickens to jump in here and poot it and make a mess. So I'm gonna keep that on there. Oops. I'm gonna finish putting a few more things in the attic, and then I'm gonna go and get some straw. It is quite windy, so a lot of our garbage blew away, but I'm gonna pick that up and then go get some straw. Oh, this chicken feed bag ran away on me. It's getting quite windy out. Okay, I'm heading down to go get the straw. Solstice and Manta and Hickory are laying down, enjoying the sun. Oh, Hickory got up. Uh-oh. So, oh no. I thought we had one more straw bale in here, but it actually is a hay bale that was covered in straw from the straw that was on top of it. I thought it was this one here, and then I thought we had one flake less left, but we don't have any. So I'm gonna have to find some straw. I don't know if there's maybe some extra in the sheep shed over here. No. So our neighbor's gonna come and drop off a bunch of bales of straw, and then I can use some of that for the chicken coop. Meanwhile, we're away, I'm gonna get something to eat. So the straw ended up not coming. I didn't actually think it was gonna come today because when we order straw and hay from my neighbor, it doesn't really always come on the same day. It usually comes sometimes like a week or after, or a couple days after. But I'm heading to the chicken coop and I got some water. So I did fill one of the nesting boxes for straw, but for now we're just gonna have to make do, and they don't get any straw tonight. Oops, I'm spilling my water. Yeah, but we're done the chicken coop for today, and I'll just have to wait until straw comes. But yeah, I put a little bit of straw in there. That's all I could find from on the ground. But yeah, I'm really glad I got this done because it reeked in here. So yeah, that's nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.